10 unknown facts about the geography of Afghanistan. 1. 70% of the country is made up of mountains, but still the country is counted as a farming-based land, and farming has been the main source of sustenance for the most part of 40 million population. 2. It's the 41st largest country in the world with 652,230 kilometers square. It is a landlocked country which has borders with 6 countries and no sea. 3. The natural distribution of water in different cities are fairly equal, but there are many parts of country that rely only on rainwater for their harvest and drinking water. Amu River creates the natural border between Afghanistan and its northern neighbor. Because of the current political situation of the country, Afghanistan doesn't charge any taxes on its waters that flows to other neighboring countries. 4. Some areas in the west are as hot as 50 degrees Celsius, but there are 2 cities in the center of the country which go as low as -22 in winter. Afghanistan overall has a dry climate with some green valleys along the riverside in the north and eastern parts of it. 5. Farming is quite different in various places. Some places in the north can harvest only once a year with rainwater, while the eastern cities can produce as much as 4 times in a year. The city of Nangarhar is usually called the Always Spring City because farmers can harvest more than usual. 6. The main connecting road between northern and southern cities is called the Saling Tunnel. It's around 5 kilometers long, and you have to go as high as 5,000 meters up the sea level to reach it, and then go down almost the same height. This tunnel was built in 1970s by the Soviet Union, and before that the journey would last days from north to the south of country. People often would ride animals to pass the difficult terrain. 7. Afghanistan does sit atop huge deposits of copper, iron, marble, talc, coal, lithium, chromite, cobalt, gold, lapis lazuli, gemstones, and more, making Afghanistan one of the world's most resource-rich countries on paper. It can turn the country into one of the richest and influential countries in the region. 8. Afghanistan is one of the main crossroads between its neighboring and Euro-Asian countries. Since the early history, Afghanistan was part of the Silk Road trading route. The lack of security is one of reasons China couldn't restart this trading route even after many attempts. 9. Because of the cold weather and mountains, Afghanistan has many lakes created by the snow water, but one of the most famous is Amir Lake, located in Bamiyan, the land of Buddha, in the center of Afghanistan. It's popular among tourists and has fresh, clean water. 10. And finally, Afghanistan is home to some of the rarest animals such as snow leopards and Asiatic cheetahs.